Yes, my people, yes, yes, yes. Now, voice of Biafra, the person wanna hear his voice, not breaking that head. We don't come again today. If you watch this place in a new place where we just get, in fact, a miracle. But we go explain that one later. Because our ancestors and Chineke, Chukwu Okike, Okike Abiyama, they with us for this struggle. Biafra is here. Biafra. Everything, every road just they open. But it's there for our hand. If we lose them, now we lose them. No be Chineke. Now we lose them. Because it just did. Biafra did in Lucas. So today, because of waiting full social media about this Jewish, because some people they call me because they get one video where the program where we make about Jew. Oh, that was over that program over 6 months. But now where people come they call like said we just do them. No, that program don't pass 6 months. Titled is an insult to call him a Jew. But with wetin happen recently, where the whole social media, even people where talk say we no be Jews, people they insult them everywhere Jew. Now why we say make we come do this program? And we go still use this program talk about our brother Mazen Nnamdi Kanu's enter before Israel. So we go start with this Jew, we be Jew, we don't start again. People don't use Star of David, they cover everywhere, then they show pictures. Like this picture now, they see now. You see Igbo people, ancient Igbo people, where we are talit. Talit is just this thing where we they put for shoulder. You see the other ancient black man where also wear kippah for head. Kippah na that small cap where Jews they wear for head. You see the black man. This black man one they see. Now from Namibia get tribe where they that where they call the Himba tribe. Now so then they dress. Now this thing, this mode of dressing, people don't see them. They compare us with the Jews. Say na Nimi say we be the same. You get what they call cultural appropriation. Now we don't they dress like that. Our ancestors don't they dress like that before Jews come appropriate the culture, begin dress. Even the way, the mode of the way the Jews they eat, where they call kosher. What is kush? Kush in a black. It means black people's food. Now we get. So people just they bring everything. They compare Igbo culture with Jewish culture. Now waiting for the whole social media platform, Facebook, everything. Yes, it gets some what thing will be able they call cross-cultural similarities where we share. But you get things where make us Igbo, where make us different from other people too. If you even the check and culturally, we share a lot in common with our neighbors, Bini, Yoruba, Ashanti, the different people, even the Lamba people and the Nemba people of Namibia, we share a lot of things in common. But the problem where black people they get nowadays, if not be the one where they share common with white people, they know the day happen. It must be the one. Because if somebody tell you now, hey, we and Yoruba people now the same, you go begin the share. Now lie. But if somebody tell you, Igbo and Jewish people, white people where they for Israel, say will be the same, you are so excited. You are so excited. That thing now waiting one intellectual back to black, where I back to blackness, called Kainde Ando, called white psychosis. But we go talk about that one, not be today. So now this thing we they tell you, say, because we they dress this way, then they dress this way, they copied us. Go and watch that old video. We took time to explain this thing. We just explain it so that you go JJ, they understand who you be. Because any pikin will not know who we be. They follow strangers, they go house. So we won't tell you so that you will know. Even when we talk about, there are specific things for Igbo. You cannot talk about Igbo tradition. You don't talk about Igbo calendar. Eke ori afọ ngwo. They don't get them. Now, integral part. You can't talk about Igbo tradition. You know, they talk about breaking of kola nut, pouring libation, things where they do this. So you go forget this. You talk about cultural similarities. You know, they talk about the difference where they there. You get to it and make us Igbo. You have to check archaeological origin of some of the things where we get for our land. Our people don't exist for thousands of years before the Jews, they emerged. In fact, if you read this book, the Christopher Columbus and African Holocaust by Dr. John Henry Clark, it tells us we don't already pass a golden era before other people, other races, they even emerge. So when we just look, even the Torah, let's go back to Torah and look at what I call the behavioral pattern of these gods, or the supernatural. The God the Jews presented in Torah and the Igbo God, our Okike, our creator. If you see how they behave, they don't really behave the same way. It gets how the creator, the Jewish God, tell them how, the kind of people we're supposed to serve him. If you go a place, go read for Leviticus 21 from 18 down. Yes, from 18 down. The God of the Jews tell Moses, waiting go tell Aaron, the kind of people we're supposed to serve him. We're supposed to be in his synagogue. We're supposed to give him sacrifice. And he make it clearly that he don't want blind people to serve him, to be rabbi, to be priest. He don't want cripple. He don't want dwarf. He don't want people who get hunchback. All these people make them no serve him, make them no offer sacrifice to him. But Okike, the great creator of Ndi Igbo, no do like that. In different shrines, our creator Chineke, some places he get where he choose one back, say make it be high priest. He get place where he go, shrine where he go, or Ihuabara, or temple, or oracle, where he go. It can't be blind person there. Be the mouthpiece of the gods. He get where he go, it can't be dwarf. In fact, dwarf, they very important in Igbo spirituality. Ndenshe, or Monshe. They were mad. Our own creator, our own chi, Okike of Ndi Igbo, no discriminate. You no discriminate. Even some now women behind priestess in many shrines. But you know they like that for Jewish God. You know accept women to serve him. If you read Torah, well, don't take time to read. So make we know our when I talk about God is based on people's translation, interpretation, and worldview. Nobody really know how the supernatural is. But people develop their own concept of God. So the way we see God and the way God they relate, our own creator they relate with us, they're different. So there is a gap, relationship gap between what you call Judaism and Omenala. They know they're the same level. Not only when you don't know who you be, you go, no, they know they're the same level. You see the relationship between the God of the Jews, what did he do in Egypt? Pharaoh provoked him. He had in Pharaoh's heart, go kill first sons of Egypt. Our creator, Okike, the God of Ndi Igbo, no mythology where they don't tell me say Abara. In fact, we have a saying in Abara Nebu Onyaka ya de Ocha. The gods do not kill innocent people. That is our own. That is how our own operate. That's our own worldview. You know, see, I never hear any story, even Agukufe or folklore, as they talk for English, where Chineke send anybody, make you go kill other people, take their land. If you pass, take other people's land, pass your border, Alakutuogi, the earth, Mother Earth will bring you down. That is our own. But we get a place where the God of the Jews tell Saul, make you go kill all the Amalekites, make you not spare even children. No, we not get them. Our own no deal like that. So when we look at our own culture, Omenala, with what you call Judaism, our culture is superior moral. When in terms of morality, they know they're the same level. Why on they do us this thing? They carry charcoal, they rub for our face. Know you who you be. Now when you don't know who you be, now when outside, now why we say we make this program? Bring our people to their senses. When I did small, the women were influenced me, the old people were influenced me, that those people will not even beat me. Those people will go see you, they do bad thing. Then go see me, they do bad thing, they look me like this. I go take off. I go run, go house. They no flog me. As they talk, old woman go tell you that in the go market. It don't open. When you reach house, you go no say that thing where you do. People away from your ancestors know they do. The question that they ask you now, where they claim to be Jews, where say una be Jews, is that same thing where old people they ask us when we dey small. Do you know yourself? Do you know yourself? If you know yourself, you know could they look you as an Igbo person. The descendants of Ndempo and Degede say you be Jew. That one a big insult. A very big insult. So make una go watch the old video where we make over 6 months ago, because we know to explain a lot of things we don't explain them there. Now make we go back to our brother Nnamdi Kanu's entire. Now the serious one. We talked them for this place, Voice of Biafra, we no hurt anybody. We no hurt any group. And we know they say we dey follow any group sheepishly. Why we set up this organization now? Because of the nyama where they happen for Biafra. It can't be like say people they do this Biafra, many of them no get sense. We say no. Say we go use this station. All the people where they do shoulder like this, say they be chairman, they be God of Biafra. We won't bring all of them down from their high horses, make them come down. Make we all talk. Because we are losing out. If we miss this opportunity where our Creator give us for hand, freedom we don't already reach us, we just talk anyhow. They claim saying that we no, humble yourself. Humble yourself. Our ancestors, our gods will lift you up. So we won't go for that kind of thing. Make we discuss that interview. A lot of people, they celebrate, everybody, they jump around. Yes, the people of Israel are coming to help us. It is called religious diplomacy. My brothers and sisters, make I tell you, no country they help another country because they share the same religion. No country they help another country because they share faith. Every country they interested in economic interest. Even for that Israel, na cash, na money, everybody eye they read. For that Israel where you see, Palestine is there, they struggle for their own independence. Palestine is the Muslims. Saudi Arabia is the headquarters of Islam. But Saudi, na Israel ally, they cooperate. Saudi no send for their own people. Where be Muslims, where they struggle for independence within Israel. They are more interested in economic interest. So if you think, say, because somebody, they say they share, they don't become Jew, you are practicing Judaism, the whole Israel will begin fight for you. That means you don't understand international politics and diplomacy. We fought war against Nigeria. Anglican Church as institution, no supporters. Meanwhile, now we be the highest number of Anglican Church members with the whole of Africa. Catholic as an institution, no supporters. Meanwhile, now we be the highest number of Catholic adherents in the whole of Africa. And today, we never learn from history. We carry ourselves. They put into dance where our people they call Surugede dance. That Israeli Jewish area, na Surugede. Na dance of the spring, make we no carry Biafra issue they enter that area. Because we are going to lose friends. So many friends where we go lose, go there too much. Because there are about 137 countries where they support Palestine independence. None of them there in support of Jewish state, Israeli Jewish state. Over 60% of Jews themselves, they're against the state of Israel as a Jewish state. Because it excludes people. It is anachronistic, nothing of the past. They want a democratic country where everybody will be included. So when our brother Nnamdi Kanu go that interview, come they tell the man, say, Biafra is going to be a Jewish state of Biafra. Me, I shake. But I take my time, take my days. Visit many Biafran websites, social media. Many of them, they celebrate the thing. Now that time when I know, say, I want an Africa, problem day. First of all, what did I go ask Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? or make his follower follow ask him, who sent you message? Who sent you message? Make you go tell the world we go be Biafran Jewish state. Who sent you? Not be when you want to talk about some people, you go consult people. How many he consult Igbo people? He consult Ejo people? He consult Anam people? He consult all the pro-Biafran, other pro-Biafran group. Because they talk that kind of thing. In 21st century, where people they drop their theocracy, people will be Islamic states, don't they drop them so that they go move forward. You want drag us into Jewish state so that we go come great enemies everywhere. Enemy, there are certain countries where they not even give Jews in the visa to enter. That is a diplomatic blunder. People where they call them a religious diplomacy, they are talking out of ignorance. My brother, we not hurt you. But we want, before you talk, make you think. Remember the land where you come from. Now, land where people they consult, you must consult people. Look at what Achebe put for Tensola Park. That is typical mindset of Biafran people, Igbo people. Okonkwo carry machete, go cut off somebody's head. They cut him out. The British policeman. He no discuss with people. He just take them upon himself. Do am. Do you mafia people abandon am? Because you must consult the people. That is our nature. Even if you are doing the best thing in the world, you know consult our people. My brother, our people no go support you. Our people no go support you. The man can't ask you again, are you saying Biafra is going to be a Jewish state? And you said, absolutely. Hi, my brother, Nandi. Now people will love, now somebody will love somebody, they give them advice. Somebody will love somebody, they tell them, say, my brother, you get them wrong. You get them wrong, absolutely wrong. That is a diplomatic blunder. Because people, where they fight for their independence, they that Israel, where they call Palestine. Before you even carry us and tangle with anything, look around that Israel, how they treat black people. Go and read the history. How they sterilize black women, make them no carry belle. Their husband, they suffer every night. Belle no, they come out. They no say, these people as they go hospital, these people put something, inject them something, so they know. Black women, they no do them for white women. Go and do research. Even for this Europe where we did, before those people go carry their house, give black man, it hard. In theory, a black person can be a Jew. But in practice, it's impossible. You go and go to any country in Europe, go enter police station. Go tell them you were abused. There was somebody make an anti-Semitic law against you. Then go laugh you. Because they know who be Jews. You get area where I no go one go. But we they beg you. Even the man Conde ask you whether he gets people for Israel who don't approve Igbo people as Jews. For me, that thing na insult. Nobody supposed to approve Igbo. Now we supposed to approve people. We've been on this earth before other people. The Ledger, the Iron Maiden Center in Ledger, a place called Enugu, close to Nsukka. Ledger, go and research it. That Iron Maiden Center was carbon dated in many past institutions in the world. That over 2000 BC, there was a city in Ledger, a Iron Maiden factory. That Ledger is older than Abraham. I don't want to go into things where I discuss for that video. There is an insult to call Igbo Jews. Take your time and watch it so that you will learn. We do want to learn. Because it's an insult. Say somebody go approve us, and you begin to even tell the man, yes, Henry Kissinger said we are the Jews. Hi. And Encyclopedia Britannica say we be Jews. So now Henry Kissinger will tell you who you be. Henry Kissinger will be one of the highest diplomat twister. Kissinger, go and read about the man. Now I can't tell you say he be Jew. Henry Kissinger, that was I think 1969. We say Igbo people are the wandering Jews of Africa. That is what is called figure of speech. The same way they call us the Japan of Africa. That one no mean say make we wear kishimo, go Japan, go begin follow them for Shintoism, begin the worship like they say our ancestors come from Japan. No, now. How we go be people where we don't dey this earth for thousands of years before then they come out? It's an insult. Now why you get book, make everybody go look for Achilon books. Take your time, read that book. They lived before Adam. That's the book. If you go read that book, and make I tell you what happened to that book. That book won an award in America. But immediately that book was released in Amazon. People bought that book over. And I can bet you no be our people buy them. Now people will no one make we know who we be. Now buy them. Identity theft, to thief people identity is one of the best way to enslave them. That thing where people they quote, say they excavated, they dig out something for Eri, Star of David, British archaeology. Don't you know archaeology is a political project? British people, British colony, we want give us a new identity. Go dig out that thing, come begin they call us Jews. Go and read what happened during the transatlantic slave trade. That Igbo people were revolting. The British people that participated in this Atlantic slave trade go for America, go Germany, they ask them how they manage to control their enslaved people. They can't tell them if they bring Igbo people in ship, make them take all the children away from their parents. Give them other people's parents away from other parts of the world, make them trade them. Then make them take the Igbo people parents, put them in plantation, work them to death. Because they found that the Igbo parents, even when they gave birth in the slave camps, they were telling their children that where we come from, everybody is a king, everybody is a queen. If you're a child, you are a prince or a princess, that you are not a slave. And when the children grew up, they started fighting. So our identity now a threat to a people, to the entire white supremacists. And now why then they fight, make them tag that identity? Now why would they do this program? To call on after order. To wake una up, make una know who una be. To be an Igbo. Now the best thing will go happen to you. No, they claim say you be something. Where you know good. So now here we go stop because we no go talk everything. And because other advice to all the pro-Biafran leaders, anything where you go say, we go be a propaganda material to our oppressors, no talk am. Because some pastors can take that statement when our brother Nnamdi Kanu meant we are going to be a Jewish state of Biafra. Some pastors will not like anything about Biafra. One Pentecostal pastor, one Catholic pastor, one Anglican pastor, they feel use that particular comment, enter church, can't tell you, look at what they are doing. They want to turn us into a Jewish state. What are you going to do to the Christians? What of the Muslims? The few Muslims among them, they are able to put that are Muslims. We must include them. They are part of Biafra. They are more important to me, for me as a person. Those few people where they practice what they are more important to me than any external support. What are you going to do to our brother side of who is a Muslim? To be in a Jewish state of Biafra? That will cause a war. Don't even go that area again, I beg. No, they do have problem. Even when the people, the man they ask you the number of Jews. One now they say the 50 million people. Where did you get the number? I practiced Judaism for 13 years. I'm not trying, I know they try to make I demean people where they practice. I'm no. But for me, I was an ignorant person that time. I don't know who I be. So, you know, I don't know who go down the time. From the days of Apostle Mba, the people assemble, till when I moved to Europe, joined synagogue, even the synagogue, that synagogue, beyond Maccabean synagogue in Bohanwood, I was one of the people who fully opened that place. So I know this thing. Any day where your eyes go open, you go see the racism where they there. You go see a lot. We go make you know, say, wait till you they run away from. Better pass that place where you they run enter. So we go take them easy because There are oppressed people in that Israel where they fight 1 point something million Palestinians. We go dey very careful for diplomacy. So that people will not go say, look at these people where they fight for their independence. Where they say military blockade their land. Say military, they harass them, police, they harass them. But they are supporting another group of people that are also holding other people in a big prison, because I see Gaza as big prison. For me, I want a two-state solution in that Israel. Make people live happily. Make we know carry Biafra. They put inside diplomatic hot soup. Anything we go destroy our people, make we avoid that. Even this religion where we jump into. The Jews themselves, the people who fight that war, Yom Kippur war, and other wars to get that Israel. If I tell you some those generals, most of them are atheists and agnostics. Ben Gurion, Golda Meir, even the one they call their best commander, the one they call Moshe Dayan. They're all atheists. The great, in fact, the prominent Jews in the world, whether in politics, philosophy, economic, the likes of Baruch Spinoza, Karl Marx, Karl Popper, you go to science, you get Einstein, you say you are talking about psychology, there's this one, Sigmund Freud, these are all atheists. Even the latest one that are making waves in the world, Noam Chomsky, or this man that has sold his book, is the highest selling books now, the man that wrote Sapien and the Homo Deus, what's his name? Yuval Noah Harari. They are all atheists. How come people will give us this Torah? Most of them don't even believe in those things. It get area where I don't want to go. Because to copy religion is the cheapest thing any human being, any lazy person can copy. Anybody who want to copy something from Israel, I beg, copy nuclear technology for us. Copy software, top software and technology for us. Copy IT for us. Copy intelligent gathering science for us. Leave their religion. Copy agriculture. People who use desert, turn them into food everywhere. Copy that and bring them back to Igbo land. Leave their religion there. We get something better. We call it Ordinala, Omenala. I think now here we will stop today. But make I beg una. We no hurt anybody. The only thing we find out, say there is this stereotype where media they create, both Western media and Nigerian media. They want to demonize Biafra. So they are creating a sort of stereotype. So that when people hear about Biafra, they go think say these people are stupid people, mad people, people where they talk anyhow. We want to reclaim Biafra. We want to reclaim indigenous people Biafra. And all of us get them. Not be group, not be one person get them. And before I go, learn how other nationalist movements were destroyed. Even the revolution what happened in Egypt few years ago, when they chased Mubarak. External forces hijacked that revolution and put in Islamic Brotherhood, and the same group of people sent military. Military go overthrow Islamic, and they brought Egypt where they wanted Egypt to be. The same thing happened when black civil rights movement in America. When black people, they rise with their intellectuals, the white supremacists and some intelligent forces bring out a man called Elijah Muhammad, put money, put media, use media surround them. The man converted a serious black agitation, converted all those radical guys, Malcolm X, Muhammad Ali, Khalid Muhammad, Stokely Michael, and many of them, all of them turned to Muslims. Rather than them connecting to Africa in their consciousness, they connected to Mecca. The man every day was abusing white people, calling them demons, Satan, but he was working with the white supremacists. So make we dey very careful. Because now what I observe for Biafra, where somebody will be insulting certain people, but indirectly working for those people. The same people raised Martin Luther. Use Martin Luther to destabilize within the up to the many black people don't know that the man where they call Martin Luther, now media and the white supremacists give him that name. He was never Martin Luther. His name was Michael. His surname was never Luther. They created this man, use media, promote him, Many people deliver speech. Even speech when you deliver, now then give a speech where they play. And that person's speech be that. But they use that man destabilize. When the man, they find out say the man no one play ball, the man was assassinated. When Malcolm X opened eyes, one connect with Africa, he was assassinated. When Khalid Mohammed opened eyes, find out say that maker no be where he supposed to go. Say that to connect with Africa. What thing happen after escaping assassination? The next thing na death. Make we wake up, understand this, make we do our research well. People wey dey insult us, learn. We don't hurt you. We don't hurt you. We not get hurt. The only thing we are frustrated the way you have to you they frustrate our people. They die from home. Hunger they destroy our people. So anybody will be pro-Biafran leader must learn how to talk. You get within they teach us for political philosophy that great leaders conceive power, but rulers and dictators extravagantly display power. The kind of power they no get. This kind of nonsense where Buhari they do, where people, civilians go they protest, go send army, they kill all of them. Biafra go they protest, go send army. Shia Muslim go they protest. That is weakness. That is a dictator. That is tyranny. Now the same kind of thing where we want to see for Biafra, where somebody go just wake up one day, say there is no longer the South and Southeast. It is now Biafra. Who give you such authority? That is dictatorship and tyranny. Now the reason when Efik, Ibibio, all of them that accuse us say we dominate people. We know you consult Ogun. Who you consult before they make such thing? Who you consult? You don't go just wake up say you proscribe governors. You proscribe Ohanese. Do you have the police to arrest them if they gather? Do you have the judiciary to prosecute them? Do you have the prison to keep them? This is what, let's stop making unnecessary utterances that will bring enemies. Maybe we talk like mature people. Talk like people who get sense. Me, I no go follow the clap for things where no make sense. Children where they vulnerable and gullible. Now then go day, that kind of thing go day, they sweet them. But for me, when I hear such thing, my brother, it depends me. Because we are turning Biafra into a comic relief, into a joke. Make we stop her. Make we stop her. Some people, they even call us. Say, and no, they criticize our leader. They ask them, you are leader than God. If you can't criticize your leader, that means you are a slave. We happen to be the only people in the world that have a creation myth where our people, our ancestors, question God, even tell God, say the earth when in create, no good. When Ezenri, according to creation mythology, when Eri sit on top of an anthill, they tell God, this earth will create like this. Chuku, they tell Chuku, this earth will create like this. They swampy. I know if it cultivate my yam. Why create them like this? Chuku look am. Go tell them, go and meet a blacksmith. Borrow a bellow and dry up the earth. That is the people we are. People that are fearless. People that talk to anyone. And we are also respectful. I beg now here we go stop today. Thank you for watching. Again, people where they call, say they won't put some of our program for DVD. Give people. Do them. Anyhow, where you go make this message reach our people. Where they anywhere they day. Make it reach our people. Biafra agitation not supposed to stop for motor park or for market. No, we supposed to take this thing to schools, to campuses, to universities. But the reason is that some of the pro-Biafran leaders do not know how to make their case. If you carry them meet political science students or law students or all these medical students or go philosophy department, those two undergraduates will use question and disgrace them. So we must make our case properly so that people will come to our rescue when we need them most. My brothers and sisters, make una know to rest. Sometimes we talk out of frustration, but we love you all. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Ebeka unusi Biafra, Ebeka unusi Biafra, Gamava Biafra, Gawe Bozoga. Biafra.